Thanks for buying the ExoForma Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit. There's a few things you're gonna need to know before you use it. First of all, not all scratches can be completely repaired no matter what polish or compound you use. A good way to tell if a scratch can be completely fixed is to run your fingernail across it backwards. If you could feel the scratch with your fingernail, then you won't be able to completely do it without painting. Once they go so deep, they can only be repaired by painting. However, you can still drastically improve the appearance by using your ExoForma Scratch Remover Kit. The first thing you'll want to do is clean the area around the scratch or scuff. If you feel any debris, that could get stuck in your pad and cause some hazing and make the paint look bad when you're finished. Once you've cleaned the area, you'll want to attach your pad. It'll fit to any standard drill or impact driver. Now apply 4 small dabs to your pad and you can begin polishing. You'll want to slowly move the pad around the affected area in a cross-hatch pattern, up and down and side to side. You'll want to do this for about a minute or two and then check to see if the scratch is still visible. Once you've confirmed that the scratch or scuff has been removed, you might notice that there was some hazing left behind in the area you were polishing. This is no big deal and is easily fixed. What you do is you just keep polishing the area without adding new polish, just running the pad back and forth over the area, and the polish will slowly become less abrasive and start to clean up and look much clearer. If you have any issues or need refunded for your product, please reach out to support@exoforma.com and we'll get you taken care of.